Hi guys and girls, we're going to do a quick video on the Arum One 3D function. Arum One is a laser measuring device that hooks to the side of your phone through the charging port, and you download the app and now you have a measuring tool that works through your phone. So 3D features really neat. Main 3 points to get an accurate 3D photo is make sure you're marking your 2 points for your flat wall 3D on the same plane. So you want to mark it on like a piece of window trim that's the same depth. Okay, if you mark, let's say you mark 1 point on the front face of this lap siding and then on the top half of the back of the lap siding, it's going to probably scale incorrectly because of the difference in depth. You want something that's the same depth. Okay, you're going to mark your points 3 to 5 feet away. And you want to mark them on as horizontal as possible. So try to get 2 gauge points to mark 2 horizontal points. So here we go. I'll just mark these 2 points. There's one, and there's one. If you can't see the laser and it's outside, if you can't see the dot outside, there's a support feature where you can tap the screen and a crosshair will come up on your screen so you can see where the dot is and you can mark your points easier. Okay, so now that I've marked those 2 points, I can move back up to 300 feet to get this whole wall in the picture, to take the picture so we have everything that we need to measure within the picture. Okay, so all you do is hit this camera icon bottom left, and now you have a scaled picture that you can measure within the app. Let's see, we'll check accuracy. You go to your folder to reference your photo. You go here, you can zoom in with 2 fingers, and you tap the screen and the crosshair will come up. Tap the screen again to get your second measurement. Okay. Okay, 5'5", remember that. We'll go to the tape measure so you can see where we're at here. Okay, right at 5'5", guys, probably within an 1/8 inch, call it a 1/16 inch, and I moved back probably 60 or 70 feet to take that picture after I marked those 2 points. So that's the 3D function. You can go back to that photo anytime you want now. It's saved in your phone, and you can measure all these points, guys. You can get all your measurements without having to get on the roof to measure you know, this weird angle here. If you needed to get this window opening, you know, that's probably a 6-foot window. There you go. I mean, this is a perfect way to go around each elevation and take pictures of each elevation, and now you have a scaled picture that you can measure back at your office, and you never have to go back to that job site to measure anything. If your guys missed something, if you forgot angle iron for over some windows, you wanted to check and see what you needed for windows, for masonry, you want to get this whole square footage here. Very handy. That's the 3D function. Make sure you put your points 3 to 5 feet away, mark them on the same plane, and mark them on the horizontal, and this picture, everything that's on this wall that you mark those 2 points on will be scaled and you can measure. I'll do some more videos of different functions of Arum One, but my link is in the description above, so feel free to ask any questions, guys. Thanks a lot.